Good evening, Brother Harris. I'm going to run through my week 11. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So as you can see here, I've started in documents. If I head over here and let's pull up this real quick. I go to documents, you can scroll down. You can see that my ID here, 102, showers, finances, description, null. I have this Google Doc. No children. I'll go ahead and close that now. I'll edit it, give it a description because it was null before. I'll save that and pull up my Mongo again and refresh. Scroll down, and as you can see, I now have a description. This is an example of an editing and document that still showers finances. I will now take that same document, delete it, and open up and refresh. And as you can see, it's now gone. The last one is a CIT network, a 340 networking. So that's editing and deleting a document. I'll now go ahead and re-add it. And hit save. Notice I don't have a description. So I'll go down to Mongo and refresh. And there it is again, showers finances with the right URL I plugged in, and it is null. So I'll close up that. That's everything for documents, editing, deleting, and adding a document. I'll now head over to contacts. Bottom contact we have is John Doe. I didn't put a URL in for him. If I go to contacts, scroll down, you can see John Doe's the bottom. NAN was before we fixed that problem. So I'll show you when we add John Doe that it's fixed now. So I'll go ahead and delete this one. Delete. And refresh this. As you can see, John Doe is now gone. So I will add a contact. I'm gonna add my dad. I'm gonna hit save, scroll down, you can see him right there. If I pull up this, hit refresh, you can see that he's now there and the ID is fixed. So it was NAN before, but that was before I had fixed the solution. I just hadn't deleted it yet. So 202 is the ID that I automatically saved. You can see the other information that I put in there. That's adding. I will now edit. So I'll click on him, click edit. I'll well, I don't want to give him that. I'll change his name. So I'll change it to name of my dog. Save. As you can see, it now says Zoe. If I go here, hit refresh, scroll down to the bottom, it says Zoe. So that's adding in, editing a document. And I'll go ahead and delete that as well. And if I go here, hit refresh, that is adding Noah, editing to Zoe, and deleting. So now the newest one is myself, which we can see down here. So that's contacts, adding, editing, and deleting. So now I'll go on to messages. As you can see, I have a few here. I'll show you those in here. If you scroll down, there's this right here, sender 101, 101, 101, all me. And you can see it had the same descriptions as well. Creating, troubleshooting, this is my new message. I'll go ahead and add a new one, say grading questions. This is week 11. What is this called? Presentation. Send. Perfect. Here it's added. I'll go ahead and go over here, refresh, and you can see grading questions. This is week 11 presentation, gave the right sender, 204, and as you can see, it added the right name. So it's creating a message with the right ID. That's my Mongo. I don't know if we need to show our Visual Studio Mongo as well. I don't believe we do because you suggested using the compass instead. which I appreciate the advice because that did help quite a lot. So I think that is everything. Adding, editing, deleting, contact, adding, editing, deleting, document, and then adding message. Okay, that should be everything. Well, have a great evening. I hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving. And yeah, thank you. Bye, Brother Harris.